to the church services here at St. Paul's, we have so many different components that are involved. We have both Pastor Roth and myself. We have also others that have helped, like Caleb Hoverson helping out with the liturgy. We also have organists. We also have different musicians that are involved and so forth. This is our general church schedule when it comes to the liturgist, preachers, and organists, and that is going to be here in the sacristy. It gives the date of the service, the type of church service, the actual church service, whether it's Vespers or Divine Service, and if it's Divine Service, what setting, has the accompanist, whether it's Peggy or Beth or Emily, has the liturgist and the preacher, and the times of the service. So this coordinates everything for each individual service here at St. Paul's. With respect to the Paraments, in order to know how to put those out, we have a very handy system. This is the one-year calendar, the historic calendar, the historic lectionary that we have for our church. And as you can see, it starts with Advent and it ends at the very last day of the church year. And you'll see the date, also the festival name and the church service name, the readings of the scriptures from the epistle, as well as the Old Testament and the Gospel. And they're also color-coded. And so, for example, coming up here on November 29th of 2020, you can see here it is going to be the first Sunday in Advent, and it has the color. Now, one thing to mention, we use blue here for Christmas. You can use blue or violet, but we do use blue here for Advent. Otherwise, everything else is pretty well set. The season of Christmas, you can see, is white. And then when we get to the season of Lent, it is going to be violet or purple. And then with Palm Sunday, red. And then Good Friday, you can see black. And then Easter is going to be back to white. And we can go all the way to the season of Trinity, which is going to be the color of green as well. And so you can actually see when the colors need to change. Now, with respect to the Paraments, they are all found right here on the back of the door. Right here, we also have, in this mix, we also have the funeral pall as well that is applied for funerals here at St. Paul's. And so all the Paraments here are found on the door, and they can be coded and understood when they're put out with respect to the church calendar here on the wall.